it happens to all of us. You need to correct an employee's past paycheck, maybe you forgot to add a deduction, an employee's hours were off, or perhaps you were in a rush, quickly wrote a check by hand and forgot to record it in QuickBooks. Historically, making this correction in a close quarter has been challenging and time-consuming. It often meant that you had to call customer care for assistance. But those days are officially over. Let's imagine a common scenario with Mrs. Christina, our head cook. Last June, during a super busy period with all our summer orders, I was such in a hurry that instead of running the payroll, I quickly wrote Miss Christina a manual check. Now, a few quarters later, we realized this unrecorded payment. The kicker, the last year's taxes are already filed. So what do? No worries, no sweat. We can easily fix this directly from the product. There's no need to call customer care. We'll go to the Run Payroll flow. Select the correct pay period and pay date where we forgot to record the payroll. You'll see that Miss Christina's payment for that period is indeed missing. Since this is a closed quarter, we've added a clear guidance to keep you informed. We let you know that this is a closed quarter, that filings have already occurred or past their due, and that making changes now might require amending your tax filings, whether it's federal, state, or local. We'll also highlight that you might incur new overdue tax payments. All these new tax payments will be automatically calculated and added to your tax center. Once you confirm, here's the cherry on the top for our QuickBooks Payroll Premium and Elite customers. We'll ask you right then and there if you want us to take care of your amendments. No need to call care for this. We'll open a ticket for you and send a confirmation email with your case number. How cool is that for a peace of mind? Another great enhancement when you record a payroll in history is the option to record your payroll transactions to QuickBooks. If you already done this manually or prefer to create your own journal entry, you can easily opt out for this option. The control is completely in your hands. And now we simply submit the correction. And that's the power of our new close quarter correction feature.